Mm-hmm. Give it a kick. Judo chop. Okay, that's good. You don't want to go all the way down because you have to pump it all the way back up. Nail it. You just want to cup the pumpkin. Cup the old pumpkin. Perfect.
Here's what her.
Now this is a good time to check and see how everything's spinning. That's good. Make sure none of your brake calipers are seized up. Wheel bearings are groaning. All that. That's actually a bit tight. So I'd say that rear brake is dragging a tiny bit. Obviously, turning both these tires on the rear through the diff. All right, time to pull the tires off. Load up the old impact with a 13/16 socket. Squeeze the trigger about halfway maybe, just so it spins a little slower. We want to save those threads for many years to come. And I always put anti-seize on my lug nuts. Shh. So this is the important part. We're going to take the fronts, move them to the back and crisscross them, and then the backs go straight to the front. So the fronts go back. The rears go straight forward. These are the fronts, we'll crisscross them. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so we got one lug nut on all the way gently with the impact, and now I just go around and kick each of the tires to seat them up a little bit. Center them out. Don't knock the truck off the jacks while you're doing it. Good?
Did you do this one?
I didn't. I don't know. Did you do that one? Should we get out the charging whirler?
What's that?
Yeah. So then, get your lovely blonde-haired assistant to thread all these lug nuts on, just a few threads by hand, and then from there hit them with the impact, and then from there hit them with the T-bar. So you wouldn't want to over tighten them. Cause yourself a nightmare next time you go to do this.
tighten your lug nuts, you want to do it in a crisscross fashion.
You also want to just do them down just gently with the impact, and we'll torque them with the T-bar. We won't use a torque wrench though. We'll just send it.
This is the bad one. Do I just do it from here?
Yep. Cut. Always keep your Toyotas nice and oily, especially when you live in Canada. Baby. Nice job, Assistant Kenny. We've got the lug nuts all semi-snugged. Kenny's got the rear end down.
Bounce on it.
Yeah, that's a lot of ass right there I'm looking at. We'll get this jack back up under here and pick this up off these stands. And we'll be ready for a test drive. And a root beer, possibly a beer. We actually also managed to grease all the joints on the propeller shafts. Yep. Yeah, do it. Make it happen. Let it rip. Hang 10. Locals only, bro. Come on, crank that thing. We don't have all day here.
I'm trying.
It's a 17-second clip.
I'm trying.
Holy cow moly. You might need some help from your dad. Ta-da! That's how she's done, folks.
My hands were too greasy.
Torque them down. Finally, we put the caps on and we're done. You asked me how to put a cap on, I show you how to put a cap on. You put a cap on with the scratched up part in the same part as this part. No scratched up part. Put this part anywhere. Ta-da!